Hello. Hi everybody. I'm Angela. Today we are gonna practice a little bit of free pouring. If you're a bartender or work in a street restaurant, so you already know what I'm talking about it. So let me explain a little bit. Um, that's gonna be an ounce and a half, and that's gonna be 1 ounce. So we do 10 counts, 10 counts for two and a half ounces of alcohol. We do 8 counts for 2 ounces. We do 4 counts for 1 ounce. We do 2 counts for half an ounce. We do 1 count for 1/4 ounce. So let's start. 1. That's gonna be a quarter. 1, 2. That's gonna be half an ounce. So making sure half an ounce. 4 counts is gonna be 1 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's gonna be this side. Let's see. Perfect. I would like you guys really see how perfect it is. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but that's amazing. Okay, that's what's 1 ounce. Let's count an ounce and a half. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, an ounce and a half. Wow, that's absolutely great. So you guys can see it. An ounce and a half, 6 counts. So now let's count 2 ounces. That is gonna be 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. That's gonna be 1 ounce, remember? So then we have 1 ounce. And here we have another ounce. So it's 2 ounces. Let's count 10 counts. That's gonna be 2.5 ounces that we usually use for a martinis, but you don't wanna over pour or guess. So I do 2 ounces. If somebody ordering a double, it's a risk because we can overserve. If somebody wants to have a double Tito's martini, let's see, dry or straight up. So, that person cannot have more than 2 martinis because they're gonna get it drunk easily, and you're gonna be in trouble. Maybe you can lose your license, TABC. So let's count 2.5 ounces, and you're gonna see how much alcohol I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see? That's a lot. All right, 1.5 right here. 1.5. 1 ounce. That's absolutely perfect, guys. You can see. So that's 2.5 ounces. So this is a chopped glass. So if somebody wants to do a shot of green apple tea, or they want to do B52 as a creamy shot that he has Kahlua, Baileys, and Grand Marnier. And so you basically do 5 counts. Remember, 5 counts is 1 ounce and 1/4. So I'm gonna do, let's see, let's Kahlua. 1, 2, can be Baileys. and one can be creamier. So you guys don't expect the whole shot is gonna be full, because it's not gonna happen. So if somebody ordering let's see, Grey Goose vodka, a single. So a single, I'm gonna do 6 counts. It's gonna be 1.5 ounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. All right. So, and that's gonna be my rocks glass. So we're gonna pour, and we're gonna add a soda or tawny, whatever they want, a cranberry, soda splash of cranberry, something like that, you know. So all right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Angie Lemus. So this is my first video, so I'm kind of nervous, and so please subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'm gonna be allowed to teaching you and answer any question about bartender. Please leave me a message, and I'm gonna answer back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video pretty soon. Don't forget, one more time, Angie Lemus. That's the name you're gonna find me on YouTube. If you wanna see me in person, I work for R&R Craft House. So if you wanna see me in person, you want me to make you perfect martini, I'll be there for you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you.